Hello, everybody. My name is Aparna, and welcome to my channel, Tarot Warrior. I'm here today to do a love reading for the sign of Libra. Please remember these are general readings, may or may not resonate with all the Librans out there. Take what resonates, leave the rest. If none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, your moon, Venus sign. Those videos could have additional information for you. And I would like to thank all of you who have liked, shared, and subscribed to my channel. I'm truly grateful for it. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so. It will help me grow as a reader. It'll help me post more videos for you. And you know, I post 2 videos every day. So if you subscribe, you won't miss out on those videos. So please do subscribe. Please do like and comment. And you can also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you are notified by YouTube every time I post your video. Okay, so let's see, Libra, what's coming up for you. Cross watchers are very welcome. This is for the rest of the month of September. Okay, so let's see, Libra. So right now you're feeling very guarded when it comes to your love life, your romantic life. There's something that you've been hurt in the past, so you feel very guarded. You feel like you have to protect yourself. You have been through a lot in the past and you don't want to go through it again. You're not giving up on love, but at the same time you are not embracing it with open hands. You're just waiting and watching and ready for a fight, ready for a battle. Okay, a wounded warrior kind of a energy there. So let's see, Libra, what else is coming. Yeah, Two of Cups. So there is love. Like I said, you're not giving up on love. There is a lot of love between you and this person, whoever you're dealing with or you're thinking of. Okay, so there is love from both sides. They love you as much as you love them. There is equal sharing of energies there. But yeah, you are worried, you are scared, there are fears. There is a fear of deception, maybe there is a fear of unknown things, maybe there is something that's happening that you are feeling very anxious about. Okay, so let's see what else is coming. Queen of Wands. So yeah, there is you want to have, I mean, this could either be this person who you're dealing with, Queen of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So you see them as being very passionate, very like in this powerful place. You admire them to a large extent because of the energy they have. They're very adventurous, very free spirited, very passionate about things, you know, and you admire that about that person. You look up to them for it. So let's see, how does this person think about you? Okay, Libra, let's see, what does this person think about you? See, Sun has come up, so you could be dealing with a Leo, but this, you bring a lot of happiness to this person. Okay, this person is very happy when they are with you. When they think of you, they think you bring them that happiness and joy in their life. What else? But they are healing from something. There is something that they need to heal from. This could be a physical ailment as well that they are needing to heal from, or this could be something that they've been through. They need to heal from that. And they are now taking care of, they are just taking care of themselves. They're just pampering themselves. They are you know, focusing on their themselves at this moment. Yeah, so they are being single. They're choosing on to be single, independent. They are concentrating on their own growth, their own stability, their own independence. Okay, because I think that's what makes them happy at this moment. So they are focusing on that. Yeah, see, they're being very strong in the situation. They're being very strong in their personal life. They are trying to be strong about the situation. And there's a lot of courage here that they're showing. There is a lot of taming of their inner impulses here. This could also be a little bit of ego that is coming in way of this connection. So let's see, let's clarify the cards, Libra. What is this Nine of Wands about for you? King of Wands. So yeah, you are guarding yourself, or you are being very, giving this person the side eye. Could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, like I said. But you find this person to be like a go-getter, a very charismatic leader, somebody you can't resist. At the same time, somebody you feel that you need to be careful about, okay, because of maybe the way they are, the energy that they have. You've been dealing maybe with such people in the past, and you feel like there is a need for you to be on guard. See, yeah, High Priestess. So you are keeping quiet, you are held back, you're withdrawn, you're being secretive, you're not sharing your thoughts with this person. You are trying to tune into your intuition when it comes to this person and this connection with this person, okay? You're choosing to just stay quiet and be in your head about it. So why does this person have the Sun here? Yeah, see, they have love here. They do feel that love in this connection. There is also a choice here for them. Okay, we'll see what that is. What is this choice about? Yeah, Hanged Man. So the choice is either for them to go ahead or stay in this, pursue this relationship further, or maybe hold themselves back, because they are also thinking of, you make them so happy that they're thinking of having a relationship with you, but they're not taking any action. Okay, so something is holding them back, something is keeping them stuck, something here that is not letting them move forward. So why do you have the Two of Cups? Page of Wands. So yeah, again, it's that same fire energy, but this time it's the page. So I think there's some kind of a naive kind of energy here. This is an energy of somebody who's a bit immature, a bit like not sure of their feelings exactly, but very passionate again. So maybe this is a new kind of a connection, or this person could be somebody you see as a page, although they showed up as a king. But when you probably got to know them better, you felt that this person is showing up as a page. Yeah, so there is some ending here. Okay, there is some ending here for you. Either you have put an end to this connection, or they have put an end to something here. Okay, let's see. Why does this person have the Four of Swords? Six of Wands. So yeah, this person is healing from something, like I said, successfully moving ahead, healing, taking care of themselves, pampering themselves, moving ahead. Yeah, so they're preparing themselves for this union here. Okay, so they seem very positive about this whole connection. They want to have something very long term with you. They see this having a potential of a long term connection. But for that, they are in preparation to come towards you in a very healthy way. They are healing from something. They see this connection as being very successful. Okay, so what is this Five of Swords about? What is this Five of Swords? Oh, I got two cards. So yeah, there is some kind of juggling happening here, and there is justice. So maybe you feel that this person is juggling other people, okay, because justice has come up here. Or this could be this person is not sure about their feelings. You feel that this person is dealing with some other person as well, or they are not sure of their energies, and you want justice in this connection, because there is some kind of imbalance happening here, okay, which is leading you to being anxious. So what is this Nine of Pentacles about for this person? Five of Wands. Yeah, so this person, like I said, is not willing to let go of this single status. Okay, so although they probably come to you telling you that they want a reunion, they want a connection, they want something long term, but in the action it's not visible here. In action, they act like a single person who's available for everybody, and that's creating a conflict here. Okay, and it's also a lot to do with their own conflict because they don't want to let go of that single. Yeah, see, because this is what makes them happy, being single. Okay, so they are very conflicted, they are not ready to probably give up on that independence yet. They feel that they just want to be happy and enjoy their time being single, independent, focusing on themselves. So what is this Queen of Wands about on your side? Queen of Cups. So yeah, there are two queens here. So either this could be you developing feelings for this fire sign, the Queen of Wands, or this could be you dealing with two people. Okay, maybe somebody else comes into the picture for them or for you. A water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, see, again that wounded warrior thing here. So maybe you have two people coming towards you, Libra. One is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and one is a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And now you're on guard because you're not sure what is happening. Like there are two people coming towards you. One is coming towards you with a lot of passion, other one is coming towards you with a lot of love. And now you're like, what the hell am I going to do? Because who am I going to choose, Yeah, see again the Seven of Swords. There's some deception here. So Libra, is it possible that you are dealing with two people and not, they don't know about that? Are you juggling two people? There is some lies and deception here. So let's see, why do they have the strength? Page of Cups. So yeah, they have this apology coming towards them, maybe from you, or there is a new love, a new beginning for them here, or they want a new beginning in love for so that they want a new beginning in love. Okay, yeah, but they are again not expressing that openly. They are in a hermit mode, they are thinking, they are aloof, maybe not in touch with you at the moment. Okay, they want to think things through, so they are taking some time off to consider about or to think about this new beginning. Okay, and they're being strong as well. Yeah, they have some regrets that they need to get over. Okay, Five of Cups. They have some regrets either from their past or something that they have done maybe, but there is something that they regret here. They miss also something here. So there's a lot for them to think about. Okay, so let's see, what is the challenge for you in the month, rest of September, when it comes to this connection? The challenge for you is the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel this is a third party situation because there are two people I see here for you, Libra. Okay, so or else it could be a third party for them, which you need to be aware of or you need to deal with. If this is not you juggling two people, this could be them having another option. So what is the advice for you when it comes to this person? The advice is to move very carefully, to be guarded, to not rush into anything, to kind of be a bit, to be careful about something. Okay, move slowly is what I'm getting. So what is the outcome for you? Let's see, outcome. Chariot. Yeah, but although the advice here is to move carefully, do your research, maybe not stalk in a very bad way, but try to check out what they are doing, keep an eye on them, to see, maybe you will get some clues and hints about their life when you check their social media. And then move ahead depending on what you find out. Okay, so move ahead. The outcome for you is you are moving ahead in some direction. Okay, let me just clarify this Three of Pentacles for you. Yeah, victory, Six of Wands. So this could either be that you are successfully winning in the situation where if there are three people this person is dealing with, then you are winning there because This person truly likes you and chooses you in the end. Okay, so what is this Page of Swords about? Empress, yeah. So, yeah, you need to focus on yourself and pay attention on your growth and stability, and, move ahead with a lot of caution. Okay, so yes, this situation has a scope of growth and prosperity, but something that you need to know before you move ahead. Okay, something that you need to check out. Also could be that this person is dealing with another empress. Okay, so this could be an advice for some of you to check out their social media, check out, like, try to find out if you can about this. Maybe you'll find something there. Maybe you'll find this person could be dealing with something, or somebody. So what is this Chariot about for Libra? Knight of Pentacles. So yeah, that's a opposite of Chariot actually. The Chariot is moving ahead swiftly. Knight of Pentacles is moving towards something very slowly. Okay, so I think you need to. The Chariot could also be about making a choice here. So there is a choice for you to make and to move in some direction. But once you have made that choice, you need to go very slowly. Okay, you need to work hard on this direction that you're choosing and move towards it very cautiously and slowly. Okay, work your way through it. So let's see what is the challenge for this person when it comes to this connection. Four of Cups. So yeah, this person could be feeling a lack of interest in something. Okay, maybe they are losing interest, or they lose interest in things or people, or this could be them obsessing over something and not looking at the cup that is coming below. Yeah, the world, there's some change, big change happening for them here. Okay, they need to be ready for that change. They need to accept that change. So what is the advice for this person? Five of Pentacles, walking away, feeling of lack. So, one more thing I wanted to tell is this could also be that they feel very let down by what has happened between you and them. Like, they're feeling like nothing is happening, nothing is working out. They feel negative, maybe, and there is a need for them to change that perspective, change that cycle, because it's all in their head. Maybe they feel this negative energy, and there is a need for them to change that energy, okay, around them. The challenge is there is something coming up, there is a cycle ending, a new cycle beginning, and they need to prepare themselves for that. So Five of Pentacles is about walking away, feeling a lack of something. Like I said, the advice here is, they feel a lack of something here, which again is in their head. Yeah, they need some clarity here. Maybe this is something that they're imagining, it's not actually true. This Five of Pentacles, that they lack something, it is not about them, right? So they need that clarity, that focus, they need clear communication, they need to open their minds about something and know the truth here, because the truth is not the Five of Pentacles. They need to see something very clearly. Okay, so what is the outcome for this person? Outcome is the Emperor. Yeah, so they need to take that power back, and you have the Empress on your end. So this is more like saying that, I feel this is saying that, you need to, this person has the energy of the Emperor. They just need to take that power back. They just need to recognize that power in themselves, because they are, and I think they are doing that. They are upgrading their energy to that of the Emperor. Five of Wands again. So yeah, they do feel a lot of challenge. They feel challenged in this connection. They feel a lot of opposition, maybe. They feel a lot of competition. They feel that there is a lot of conflict here, in maintaining this energy, maybe. The conflict is with them, like, for them to come to this energy of the Emperor. They are not able to maybe get on to this energy and sustain this energy. Okay, so although they come up as an emperor, they're not able to maintain that energy. So let's see what other messages we have for a Libra. Messages for Libra, messages for Libra, please. So the message for Libra here is open your heart to love, it's time. Okay, so that's one. What else do we have? They want to spend their life with you, beside them, which we saw already. I think this person has a lot of love for you. Sometimes the best thing to do is to wait. Yeah, so I think, it's also about divine timing here. So like I said, the advice for you was to tread very slowly, move very slowly, uh, watch out for things, keep an eye on things, so I think that's why the universe here is saying sometimes the best thing for you to do is to wait. So maybe it's about divine timing, things maybe will unfold by itself. This is just for September. Maybe in October there would be new energies coming in, and we will check that out when we are in October. But till then, this is what I have for you, Libra. I hope this resonated with you in some way. If it did, please do give me a like, share, and a subscribe. Until then, take care and see ya.